You can make this delicious chicken leg recipe today if you have some leftover chicken legs, onions, and tomatoes. This is a really flavorful and comforting dish where tender, juicy chicken legs are simmered in a rich, tangy sauce. This recipe is truly perfect to serve over crusty bread for a hearty meal. Now, this is how to make this chicken leg recipe. You want to start by making a diagonal cut on both sides of the chicken legs. This helps your seasoning to penetrate deeply into the chicken flesh and also allow them to cook evenly. When you're done making incisions on the chicken legs, place them in a bowl and then season with light soy sauce, minced garlic, grated ginger, chicken bouillon powder, crushed scotch bonnet, celery stalks, diced onions, bell peppers, diced tomatoes, sesame oil, and lemon juice. Go ahead and mix these properly with your clean hands, or you can use forks to mix this properly. You want the marinade to properly coat the chicken. At this point, I will also season the chicken with salt and continue mixing. After that, cover the bowl with a cling film and then place in the fridge. You want to marinate this for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, just to allow the seasoning to penetrate into the flesh of the chicken before cooking. So, after 30 minutes, you can bring the chicken out of the fridge. You want to separate the chicken legs from the marinade. So to do this, just shake off all the excess marinade from the chicken. Then set them aside in a bowl. Next, place a pan on the stove top over medium heat. Add some cooking oil into it and let the oil heat up. Go ahead and place all the chicken legs into the hot oil. You want to fry them until they are slightly golden on one side for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once they are golden on the other side, flip over to the opposite side and brown for another 5 minutes. Once the chicken legs are nicely golden on both sides, you can remove them from the oil and set aside. The next thing you want to do is to slightly fry your onion rings. So go ahead and add your onion rings into the same oil and just quickly fry them for a minute. You just want to get rid of the raw smell. Once they're slightly wilted, take them out of the oil and set aside. Now, add your cubed potatoes into the same oil. Sprinkle your potatoes with a little bit of salt to taste. And saute them for about 5 minutes until they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown, add your diced carrots at this time and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly softened. Now remove all of this and set aside in a dish. Using the same pan, pour in the marinade. Just stir fry this until all the veggies are slightly wilted. When you notice all your veggies are wilted, just like this, return the fried chicken into the sauce. Now it's time to season the sauce with some chicken bouillon powder. Add some salt and more lemon juice to it. Give this a stir and make sure that all the chicken pieces are fully coated with the sauce. You can also add a splash of water if you think the sauce is too thick. Now cover the sauce and simmer it on low heat for about 20 minutes until the chicken turns out very tender and well cooked. You can come back to the sauce, stir it, then return the cooked potatoes and the carrots into it. Stir this to combine nicely. Just look at how thick and rich this chicken recipe turned out to be. If you like it spicy, you can add some red chili for heat. Return your cooked onion rings and add some chopped celery for garnish. Stir it well to make sure everything comes together. Once you're done stirring, you can leave this to simmer on low heat for about a minute. Then take it off from heat. And here it is. This chicken leg recipe is a complete comfort food. The taste is so great and the flavor is on point. You can absolutely make this hearty one-pot chicken recipe today. It is indeed incredibly satisfying and then best served alongside crusty bread. I just hope you like this recipe. If you do, give it a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and then share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to Onyx Food Hill to watch more interesting videos. Until next time, have a nice day and bye!